And where do you connect the mental illness? Like today I'm seeing, and even I was reading an article that, WHO says that, mental health challenges are like the new pandemic, and every 1 out of 3 people, either he's suffering or he's going to suffer very soon because of some mental illness. Where do you connect it to, with EFT, where do you connect it? Which emotion?
So if you know that in a day, a person thinks 60,000 thoughts.
Right.
So if you are allowing those 60,000 thoughts to run, you are not under control. And basically when you're not under control, there is a part of the brain which disconnects you from the conscious part. So if I have to explain it through the brain model, how this mental illness is actually forming, it is basically, this is the hand model of the brain. So I have the reptilian brain, which was the brain when we were there in the jungles. Then I have a brain which is connecting the conscious brain which we have today with the reptilian brain. And so what happens is, when we are under stress, when we are under anxiety, so stress and anxiety is something which is the top layer these days. So the moment we stress and we are anxious, there is a disconnection which happens. This part is the midbrain, and there is a disconnection which happens over here. The reptilian brain and the conscious brain get disconnected, and we keep on struggling here in the emotional trauma, and that is what goes in the head then, and we are not able to consciously think what is the correct action that we have to take, because there is a disconnection which has happened in the brain.
Okay.
Yes, scientifically this is the reason why there is so much mental illness that is going to happen, because you are in that emotional state, spinning of the thoughts in the head continuously, and you're not able to consciously take a decision and move out of it because of the disconnection between the three brains.
Some people call it overthinking, right?
Yes, some people call it
overthinking, like
yes.
they're thinking and thinking, but they're not taking action.
Yes, that is because the conscious brain and the reptilian brain that were supposed to be connected, the reptilian brain tells that yes, you are safe, you can take an action. It's okay for you to take an action. So this disconnection keeps you in the overthinking realm of thoughts, and you can't take a conscious decision. So who is going to take action? The conscious brain.
Right.
So that brain is not functional at all. So then the action is not going to happen, and you're going to be stuck in that state of depression. Whenever a person is in depression, we ask him to go out and take a walk, but then he says, I don't want to.
True.
If we ask him to do some physical exercise, I don't want to. So the action part goes missing, and that is the reason of mental illness.
So then what is the solution for that person?
Again, we have to connect back that overthinking, we have to remove that. What is the reason that overthinking is happening? Again, something is happening in his life which needs to be taken care of. So when we tap on that something, now the connection between the brains will establish, and the person will be able to take action. Because that safety element which that went missing is reconnected using EFT.
Okay. So, but then it can be solved through EFT. That's what.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
EFT is actually going to connect the amygdala, which is sending the smoke alarm, raising the smoke alarm, and it shuts that alarm. It shuts off the fight or flight response.